Love, like I said, is a magnifier. It shows you your weaknesses, your incompleteness, your incongruencies, but then we don't know how to handle it. We don't know how to resolve it. So, we do all these things that we've learned that don't work. And it's like, shit, it still didn't work. Well, it's because those things didn't work. What else we do is like, we try to bury it. It's like a weakness shows up. It's like, that's not me. We bury it, right? We don't want to even look at it. And again, it just festers, and then it creates cancers and, of the mind, the consciousness, your belief systems, and then sometimes, physical cancers. Again, because it's a magnifier, it wants you to go, say that you're love level 4. You need to go to the next level, level 5 or 6, right? To get to the level 5 or 6, love is just showing you, it's like, hey, shit, you got to let go of this before you enter in to this next level. And it's like, okay. And then most people go, no, that's not the reason why. I'm going to keep that garbage and I'll just stay in level 5. And then again, you can't stay at a level. You either go up or down. Right? So when you see all the indiscrepancies that are coming out for you, acknowledge them. Notice that it's a pattern that you're running, although somebody else might be doing it to you. It's a complementary pattern that you're running. And then it allows you to leave it behind, and then you go to the next level. Basically, that's what XI is, right? XI basically shows you the intensity very quickly on all the patterns that are incongruent, that are keeping you down. And then all you have to do literally is go, yeah, that's the pattern. I need to let go of it. And as soon as you let consciously, or actually heart-wise, deep down, there's an innate saying, yes, I need to let go of that. As soon as you hit that, say, awakening, it's just like, boom, you pop up. And that's where XI works so well. And that's where people can like change their life. And